If we look at our original Bootstrap template, which I have open here, we have the text of fully responsive premium spa theme for WordPress in the header. Then if we click on the blog section, the text changes to Tranquil Spa official blog. However, back over in our WordPress version, we just have the same text if we click on both pages, since both of these files use our header.php, meaning the text is going to be the same. To fix this, we're going to look at how we can add some custom PHP code into our theme. This code will detect which page we are currently on, and then we can conditionally render the text based on the page. This text is stored in the header.php. Let's get to work over there. If we locate the feature text area, I'm going to remove the text from here. So cut this out, and then in place we're going to add some custom PHP. This is going to be our own custom PHP function and nothing to do with WordPress. Let's call this the feature text, capital T. We can now set this up over in our functions.php. Let's head over to here. And then just after our filter, still within the PHP tags, we can create this function, which was called the feature text. So inside the body of this function, the job is to check if we are on the front page or on the blog page, and then display the corresponding text. We can do this with an if statement to first check, using the WordPress function, if the page is the front page. If it is, we'll then add some curly braces afterwards. Is front page is a WordPress conditional tag, which will allow us to set the text we want for the front page. Just like this, we can add a _e to echo our text. This is going to be a string, so add in the quotations. I cut the text out of the header before, so we can now paste this back in place. Let's check this all works over in the browser. Make sure we're in the WordPress version. Whoops, and we have an error, so line 43. Semicolon again, so save that. Reload. And there's the text on our home page. However, if we go over to our blog, we see that no text has been generated. This is because we only set the text if the page is the front page. If it's not the front page, we can add another conditional tag called isHome. And the isHome function will refer to the blog post page. We can add this in a else if section. Inside the brackets, we use our conditional tag of isHome. Open up the curly braces. Then we want to do a similar thing to before. We're going to echo to the browser. Then the text of Tranquil Spa, official blog, with a semicolon at the end. Let's save this and reload. And our text of Tranquil Spa, official blog, is now showing on the blog page. If you are new to if-else statements, they will run the code inside of the curly braces. For example, if is front page returns true, then the text inside of these curly braces will run. If we're not on the front page, it will then fall back to the next section, which is else if, checking if the page is home, and then it will run the code inside of this set of curly braces instead. We can also add multiple else if sections, and we'll do this later on in the course. Finally though, at the very end, if none of these conditions met, we can add a final else section. And this will act as a fallback if none of the above two conditions are met. If not, we're just going to echo to the screen the standard text that we have on the home page. So paste this in, and this will work for things such as a 404 page or any other pages which we don't set the custom text. We will keep adding to this function as we create more page templates, but for now this is all we need. And next we'll move on to our single page template.